front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. You need to start by going into Tab menu. Now look for one-handed mode icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of the screen, you can do that by tapping on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back into the standard size, you can click on this one at the top right or left one. But you can also just click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!